practice or... Okay.
No, this is it, okay? Tobacco, what have you enjoyed most about your time at Bridges Academy?
The most thing that I enjoy about Bridges Academy is having devotion with Miss Femin and having the teams that come from America to spend their days here at school, and I enjoy spending time with some of the students and teachers.
Okay. And how are you different now than when you first started at Bridges?
Oh, at first I was very shy. Now I am able to speak in front of other people, and I am very confident about myself.
Did you have any life-changing experiences while you were at Bridges?
Yes. Now I'm a Christian. At first I wasn't a Christian when I came here in Bridges Academy, and I didn't have so much friends. Now I have friends. That's how I live.
And what advice would you give to new students coming into the academy next year?
They have to focus in their studies, and they have to believe that God is in control of everything that they are doing, and they must believe in Him.
Okay.